Alright, as promised, I'm going to show a video of starting the engine, listening to it run, and showing what the exhaust looks like. So, here we go. First things first, I'm going to turn the batteries on. And there we go. Batteries are on. Need to put the trim down. Oh, keys might help. Be right back. It's time to start the engine. Let you hear how it sounds and, well, basically how it sounds and what the exhaust looks like when it's running. All right. So, you gotta pump the throttle. Give it 2 pumps. Give it another pump. Over to the other side. Yep, water coming out that side. Yes, it is a wet exhaust system. Alright, now to listen to how it sounds. Rev it up a little bit. Alright, let me climb back down the ladder and give you an up close look at the exhaust. Sounds pretty nice. Alright, that's it for these update videos for today. Until next time, it's Feeling Naughty from Honey, New York.